everyone, my name is Beverly Wolfskill and I work at Community Gatepath. Today I'm going to teach you how to separate your laundry. The first thing you need to do is separate the darks and the lights. For example, a dark towel needs to be in the dark pile. The light shirt needs to go in the light pile. A black shirt needs to go in the dark pile. Light sweats, gray sweats, need to go in the light pile. A light pink needs to go in the light pile. And last thing is another pink, and that can go, because this is a light pink and it's also could go in the light pile. The reason why we need to separate our clothes before we wash our clothes, it's because we don't want to damage our clothes and also turn our clothes into one color in the laundry. Thank you for watching my video. I hope this video is very helpful